Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Dreams. In this video, we will see what are the universities you can consider applying if you have percentage below 70 or a CGPA less than 8. I know that lot of consultants will say you it's very hard to get into universities if you have low percentage or low CGPA. It is hard but not impossible. There are few universities which considers other aspects like work experience, internship, your overall profile to give you an admit. So in this video, let us talk about those universities. First comes Dalhousie University. Dalhousie is one of the top universities in Canada, and it offers lot of good programs like Masters of Applied Computer Science. There is also a program called as Digital Innovation, Internetworking, all these programs. And in this video, we will talk especially about Masters of Applied Computer Science. So, if you are from a CSC background or EC background, and if you have average coding skills, so when I say average coding skills, for suppose, if you have an array, and if you know how to find the maximum element from that array, okay, or if you know how to sum all those elements in that array, then trust me, you can get into this program because here it has this admission interview. As it has admission interview, the competition for this program is a bit low compared with the other programs. I'm not saying there's a huge difference, but a bit low. So if you are really good in your coding skills and if you have good communication skills, if you ace this interview, trust me, you're going to get into this program. I know a lot of friends who got into this university with percentages around 70, okay? 69, 68, those percentages also, they got into this university because of this admission interview. And now let us discuss about the second university. The second university is St. Mary's, and this is located in Nova Scotia. Here also you have an interview, and before applying to this university, you need to complete a programming test. If you complete this programming test, so here a programming test is not time framed one. You don't have any time restriction. They'll just give you the questions. You can complete them in maybe 1 week or in 1 month, your wish. But you have to complete this test, and after that, you can apply for this university. So once you're done applying, later you will be having a technical interview. See, because it has a technical interview again, the competition for this university is very low compared with the other ones. This university's program, particularly this program, Computing and Data Analytics, MSc in Computing and Data Analytics, this program here, it offers co-op and it's a mandatory co-op and it's really good university, trust me. And we also have one more university, University of New Brunswick. Here also you can apply for Masters in Computer Science program. I have a friend, his percentage is around 62 and he has around 3 backlogs or something, but he still managed to get into this university because he has work experience, he has various skills like JavaScript, all these things. He those helped him to get into this university. I think he has work experience in Accenture or something. So if you have work experience, do apply for this university. And there is one more university, Bishop's University. This is located in Quebec, Montreal. Oh, it's looking very good. If you have around 62 or even 65 percentage, 60 to 65 percentage, you could really get into this university. There's not very competitive, unlike other ones, because the ranking of this university is a bit low. That's the only disadvantage. But otherwise, the location and all, they're really good. And we also have one more university called as St. Francis Xavier University. You can even try applying to that one. It's also located in Nova Scotia. Even if you have a less percentage, you also have a good chance in this university. So these are the universities which I want to list out for you to try applying. If you really want to get into a university, because universities offer master's program unlike colleges, you could try applying for these ones, and there is a good chance you could get into one of them.